So I purchased these bright orange foam pumpkins a couple of years ago at the dollar store. I was just in there the other day and noticed they still sell these exact same pumpkins. I really loved these, but they were a bit too bright for my liking, so I very easily removed the stem. I used a piece of tissue paper or cloth of some sort to mute them down and cover them, and then I grabbed this wide burlap ribbon that I had and covered them. You may notice that I'm using a Sharpie to push the burlap ribbon down in the stem hole. I just used my hot glue gun to close up all the seams and create little pleats. Next, I grabbed a stick from outside and glued it right down inside the stem hole. I also grabbed some twine and wrapped around the base of the stem, hot glued it to keep it in place, and tied a little bow. Now these fit right in with my farmhouse decor. I also covered a few other pumpkins with some wide ribbon that I had, basically the exact same way. I hope you enjoyed this easy little DIY project, and I hope you'll come back for more. Thanks so much for watching.